Da, 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 da. Oh, hi there. Yeah, we're making cookies. All quantities will be in the description. I'm gonna start with flour, baking powder, salt. Put them in a bowl. Hello? Whisk them to combine. In the bowl of your stand mixer, add some butter and sugar. Cream with the paddle attachment. Periodically scraping down the side of the bowl to make sure you get everything. You just want it to smooth out and to lighten in color. Did you guys hear that? Okay. Vanilla, a whole egg. Scrape down the bowl, mix until they're incorporated, and then add your dry mixture. Turn the mixer back on till they're all combined. Okay, now what is that noise? Until it looks about like that, take out a piece of parchment paper, dust it with flour, dust your dough with flour, roll it out until it's about 1/4 of an inch thick, whatever shape you like. I like rectangle. Okay, apparently experiencing some technical difficulties. Hopefully, okay. Refrigerate for 1 hour to 2 days. I found these neat little cookie cutters on Amazon. I'll link it in the description along with the lady whose recipe I'm using. You should probably go watch her video. It's probably a lot better than this one. Bake them at 350 degrees for 11 to 12 minutes till they look about like that. Test one of the cookies out. Lay them out on a cooling rack and then frost however you like. I just use store-bought frosting because I'm lazy and not because I'm trying to cash in on a marketable trend. As always, subscribe, ring the notification bell, leave a comment.